Good morning, everyone. This is Daily Trading Analysis with the market forecast for today, 17th of October. We start the week on Monday. New week. We have to forget about last week. We have to focus on this week to start the week green and hopefully focused with discipline and risk management. So basically, today we have overnight longs in the Nasdaq. It's glad to see that we are basically holding pre-market lows and holding the prior close. Regarding the weeks, we have this green candle, big push, and then on Friday we rejected. So we are basically marking with those 2 days the low of the week, 10,500 more or less, and the high of the week, 11,200. So we have those key levels, the low of the big move on CPI data, and on Friday, the high of the pullback. So we are in equilibrium, basically. And I think we have to first look at the economic data. Today, we have nothing. We have some European ministers speaking. The only thing that we have right now is New York Empire State Manufacturing Index. It's way lower than expected. That's why I think maybe some kind of bullish sentiment is appearing in the markets. But apart from that, nothing for today. Tomorrow, it's another day. So let's focus on the technicals. Let's have some analysis, quick analysis. The volume profiles, we are basically pushing from the lows, rejecting low pricing. And with this trend line in the 15-minute, we are going higher. A big key level is this 11,000. Obviously, psychological level, very interesting level for shorts to appear and for longs to wait with patience to find opportunities to long side if this level holds. 11,000 is very important for today. That level, it's a pivot for the move to 11,200 last week high, this dotted blue line. And if these overnight longs don't hold, if they start selling due to some pressure into the open, I think the obvious levels is this settlement, 10,700, 10,700 also pre-market low. So basically we have a lot of levels down here for a big conjunction. And then we have 10,600 as an important level before going to the 10,500 last week lows. Big range to the downside. So without any economic data, I think we have to exercise a lot of patience today to see what markets want to do, basically. We don't know exactly if we want to continue push higher or lower. Regarding, it's important to see that both Nasdaq and S&P 500 got 11,000 open interest on Fridays, and Nasdaq almost 3,000 open interest. So that's important to know because on Friday we got new business to the downside. So on Thursday we got new business to the upside and also new business to the downside on Friday. So we are in super equilibrium. We are in a fight in these levels, so we have to be extremely cautious in here, waiting for the opportunity, 11,000 or to the downside to cross, to break down pre-market lows. Let's talk about FTSE. So FTSE basically got saved. We are holding this key level in 6,800. So that's good to know. Markets are willing to hold these levels, and I think that's good news for UK and also for worldwide US markets also. Corporate yields, high yield corporate yields, HYG, still going in balance. We need to see 72 to cross or for big momentum to the upside. 10-year, it's pulling back a bit. All yields are pulling back. 10-year is 2.5% in the negative, in the red. 2 years, almost 2%. Big holding and push off the lows, bounce off the lows for the inverted yield curve. And also we are starting to see a decrease in the expectations for next year. So this year, December 4.2, 4.9, almost 5% for April next year is crazy yield. Then maybe October, one interest rate cut in September to end the year 4.5. So this is what bonds market are pricing huge spike in April and then decreasing the yields into the end of 2023. The dollar, very important for this week's earnings, is pulling back. We need to see this rejection in 113 to see basically a big momentum to the downside. There are a lot of structure in here holding, but losing this 200 moving average and breaking down 112 would be very interesting for this week's earnings on the financial. Today, Bank of America is reporting earnings, is doing good, so that's good for the economy. We need the dollar to pull back. Energy, XLE is quite green. I think we need to see more pullback. We are holding the resistance up there. Crude oil is in the green, but rejecting this descending resistance on the daily. Net gas is being dumped, 5.3 in the red. Big push to the downside as we were expecting. This moving average, white line is the 200 moving average, and this ascending support is breaking down. I think we can expect to see some 6 on the net gas. 6. Let's put some alert. And utilities also in the green, that's good for the market. And also discretionary XLY versus XLP, it's also doing a reversal of the lows. So I think overall sentiment, TQQQ is in the green 5%. Nasdaq almost 2% already. So I think we can see some bullish momentum. Let's focus on patience into the open, because I think we already see that anything can happen in these markets. So let's stick to the levels, 11,000 for the bullish to hold and pre-market lows to the bearish to short. I think that's good levels, good opportunities around those levels if price actions follows. And let's see what we see in half an hour from now into the open. But I think we are quite good. Not so red, but we are holding. Overnight is holding, is trying to go to the upside, is trying to go bullish. So let's see if we break a little bit to the upside. As always, thank you for your time. If you have any questions, you can comment down below and I will try to respond to all of you. If you found this video useful, please remember to click the like button and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Remember that I upload new videos every single day for market forecast, market updates, and market recap. I appreciate your time as always and see you in a couple of hours with the market update. Remember, discipline and risk management are key for success. Stay safe everyone.